Hey guys, my name is Damilola. Welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Today I will be making moin moin. Moin moin is made with beans. You can see in this bowl. You see that this one has been peeled and this one has not been peeled. Now, firstly, you are going to peel the beans. You peel it. You peel the skin off the beans. Then you soak it in the water like 1 hour or 15 minutes, as long as you can wait. If you are not in a hurry to eat your moin moin. Now let me show you this one that has not been peeled. You see, has not been peeled, and this one has been peeled. This is it, that's not been peeled. This one has been peeled. I'm so sorry. This one has been peeled. You see that it's white. It look white, and I add peppers and half of bell pepper. This one is Scotch bonnet, and I'm going to add my onion. When I add my onion and I finish blending it, I'm going to use this container to put my blended beans. Let's put it in the blender. Now, if you don't have blender, you can use fruit processor to blend everything together. Now I'm going to blend it. Watch carefully how I'm going to blend it. Now I'll finish blending it. So I'm going to add it to my bowl. To see how it sticks, it must not be runny. If you always make smoothie, yes, you know that smoothie always thick. You always get thick, yes, like this thick. It's not runny. Let me mix it together. Now this is it. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to add my salt. I'm using this spoon to measure it, or else I don't want it to be too salty. Yes, I use this 2 teaspoons. That's what I use, and then mix. Now I know that it will be so I know that you will look so crazy that I'm tasting the raw beans. Yes, I'm going to taste it. Don't worry. I'm going to taste, and nothing is going to happen. You just put it like this. You see, I didn't put a lot in my hand, and then taste it. Yes, it's good. Now let's go to the main thing. Now I'm going to put it in this plastic, this bowl, this small bowl. Please like, comment. Now I have put my water inside the pot. Water is in there, and I add my foil paper. So I'm going to put everything in the pot. check our moin. Let's check it. I remove the foil paper, I put it here. I will allow it to cool down. Now it has cooled down. Let's check it. Maybe it's cooled down. This is it. It has cooled down. Don't eat it when it's hot though, please. So I've removed it. I'm going to taste it. Let's taste. See? The aroma is good. Let's taste. It's soft. It's delicious. It smells so good. Now, this moin can be eaten with different kind of food like rice, white rice, jollof rice, fried rice, ogi or akamu, garri or bread. Or if you don't want to use all of that, just eat it like that. Yes, you can eat it like that. You can eat it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. You can eat it as a breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. Anyhow, it's delicious, and you can serve it at a party for your guests. Please like, comment, share, tell everybody you know about Damilola Olaleye's kitchen, and please follow me on Facebook, Mary Olaleye, and on TikTok, Mary Olaleye. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time.